Hello everyone, today I have special rice, steamed rice in lotus leaves. They're very fragrant and delicious. If you like to see how I make them, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. So here are the ingredients. You need 6 bowls of rice, 1 carrot, 100 grams of haricot green beans, 50 to 100 grams of dried shrimp, 500 or up to 800 or 1 kilo chicken. Besides, you have some lotus nuts for decoration and aromatic ingredients: shallot, garlic, white part of green onions, and seasoning: soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and ground black pepper. And you need 4 eggs. So on the hot pan you add oil and add garlic, ginger, and white part of green onion until fragrant, and you add carrot first, and then after that green beans and cook, remove, and then you start the same thing with shrimps and chicken. This chicken is leftover from chicken dish yesterday, but you can start new one. And then you add rice and season, and that's it. You mix, and then you scoop out onto the lotus leaves that I washed earlier, both sides. Then I have some eggs made already, so I can chop up and mix in the rice and leave some for decoration, presentation later. Put enough mixture onto the leaves and wrap it up. I will make 2 ways, so I have 2. Steam for about 20-30 minutes, and that's it. You invert it out, and then I cut 2 ways the top for presentation. First is wedge. Use scissor, it helps a lot. See, you cut a wedge like this and open. Do this the same thing around. For this one, I decided to make a round one. So if you can vision the round circle, you can use a cup or something to put on top and cut around it. So I decided to left the other side and open my top like so. So that's look very beautiful. So I will leave this like that, and I place some eggs for decoration, and green onion and cilantro on top, and some lotus nut. About the lotus nut, if you don't have fresh one, you can use dry one, but you need to soak and cook them in advance before you can mix them in the rice. So this is very fresh nuts I got from our plants outside, and that's it. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Please come to see me soon. Bye bye.